Okay, well, I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these, the fully boxed up FrontierX. I have held the actual little device before, but this is hot off the production line, so I'm really excited to see it in its fully packaged format. And it's neat packaging. Measure what matters. That pretty much says it all. 3 important words. And on the back here, sustain your speed, help your heart, train right. Now that matters. It's just 30 years too late for me as a competitive athlete. And free your mind. So each of those is very, very significant as messages about this device. That is neat packaging. That's nice. It gives a great first impression. And then again, really nice, strong box, little magnetic flap on the front there. You open it and you're reminded of these 4 strap lines, which are so relevant to endurance sportsmen. It doesn't matter if you swim, cycle, run, do all 3. This is an important piece of kit, and I love this packaging. This is very, very neat indeed. It sits tightly in that little rubberized insert, and here it is. It's very straightforward. Press the button, you get the logo. 4th Frontier comes up, 1942. That's the local time here, and the last workout shows the effort and the strain and the duration, 21 minutes. And here you've got battery life and memory left in the device. Very quick displays there of the essentials. Of course, this will sync with your smartphone. Your workouts will go straight to your smartphone, and once they're on the smartphone, they disappear from this. So you've got everything you need on the smartphone, and from which you can do so much with the information, with the data. Lift out this first level, and you're straight into the rest of it. Very straightforward. Black or red straps, any color you like, as long as it's black or red. And let's take a look at one of the straps. Okay, it's a very straightforward rubberized strap, and the device clips on to these 2 at the on the strap. Very strong, robust feeling clicks. That is, wouldn't get pulled off by anything. And then you put it on. It's as simple as that. Very, very straightforward, and away you go. It's comfortable, and no issues at all with the device itself. Obviously an adjustable strap. It's rechargeable, of course, the device. It's got a huge battery, but it's rechargeable with a standard USB connector cable. So everything you could want. It's really, really simple. Oh, and by the way, all the information you want is off this. From your smartphone, bang, you're right into it. It is so well thought through, and nice packaging, great first impression.